Hey guys, well welcome back to my channel, The Curly Tech. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a round 2 of the Beauty Bakerie Mystery Box. So yeah, if you guys want to know what I got in the box this round, then definitely keep watching. So as I mentioned, this is round 2 of the Beauty Bakerie Mystery Box. If you guys don't know what that is, then I will post a card up here for you to look at. I did a review when they released the first round of mystery boxes about, was like a month ago? 2 months ago? I think it was like a month ago. I don't remember. But for a quick recap, the Beauty Bakerie mystery boxes are $50 a piece, and you do get free shipping, and you get 6 full-size items from their company. It's just something that they'll randomly release and say, hey, you know, mystery box. So they did a round 2, and I decided to jump on it, and I ordered it on the 31st, and today is the 10th. I didn't actually think I was going to get it today. And unfortunately I don't have the box to show you because the mail guy, well, because I didn't know it was being delivered and it rained, so the box got wet. So I do already know what's in the box because I had to take everything out to make sure that it didn't get ruined or anything like that. But I haven't completely opened it. So I'm just going to go through everything that I got in this mystery box, which I'm super excited about. So I have, what, now 12 items now all together from the 2 mystery boxes for $100, which is pretty dang good, let me tell y'all. Also, excuse my appearance, I am in the process of letting my hair air dry. You know, it's gonna be about another 3 days before this thing is dry. So, figured I would just film in the meantime until it does dry. Alright, but enough talking, let's go ahead and dive right into the box here. So, I do have 6 items that I got in the box here in front of me, and I'm just going to go through all of them again. So first up is the Sugar Lip Scrub, which I got one of these in my last mystery box, but this one is a different flavor. So this one is the peppermint flavor, and you guys know lip scrub is just, you know, to keep those lips nice and moisturized and fresh and not all peely and cracked and gross, you know. So I just want to open this and give it a smell. I love anything peppermint. And this definitely smells like some spearmint gum. It's wonderful. I don't wear a lot of lipsticks or anything like that anyways. And I do carry chapstick with me like all the time. So luckily my lips aren't always like chapped a lot. But still, that lip scrub like does wonders. It's very nice. Moving on to the next item here, it is the Beauty Bakerie Bakeware, which is a brush. It is the stippling brush. So you just use it to apply foundation or concealer. And it says it can also be used to apply powder, blush, or bronzer to those hard-to-reach areas of the face. I've never used any other brushes, so it's really cute packaging. But they just came out with some new eye brushes, and they're like cute little bakeware, like a spatula and a spoon and stuff like that. So I'm actually really excited about those, and I cannot wait to order some. I don't really need new brushes, but honestly, can you have too many brushes? Is that even a thing? So I just want to pull this one out so I can touch it. It looks so soft. And there is a little bit of shedding, so there's 1, 2. So, you know, to be expected to shed a little bit, but this is really soft. I'm really liking this. So I can definitely see me putting on some foundation with this. So can't wait to try this, and I will let you guys know how I feel about it. Alright, so that was 1, 2, so moving on, and on this one again, I got 2 lip colors here, so I'm going to swatch those on the back of my hand. The first one is the Lip Whip Liquid Matte Lipstick. It is in the shade Cranberry Stiletto. So, I was actually looking at getting this shade because I need like a nice red, so I'm actually pretty excited that I got this color. Hard to get out of the box here. So this is a matte, obviously cranberry red color. They do have a couple different like reds. think they have like a cherry. This is the cranberry. It'd be really cool if it smelled like cranberries. It just smells like lipstick. So I am going to swatch this on the back of my hand and I will show you guys. And all their lip whips go on like super smooth. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, Dan. That's a nice color. Let me just show you guys. Let me dry that off. So, let my camera focus. So this is the cranberry color, and that's just one swipe of it. So it is very nice, very luscious. It's looking a little shiny right now, but I'm sure it will dry to matte in just a minute. And these are actually really hard to get off. You really have to scrub to get this off, I'm not gonna lie. But that's good, right? In a lip, that's what you want in a lipstick, right? You don't want it to like rub off on everything you're trying to drink and stuff like that. But yeah, so that was the liquid matte lipstick in the shade Cranberry. Cannot wait to actually wear that. I feel like it'd be like a nice, like color for my skin tone, yeah? Let's see, this is the second one. It is a cream liquid lipstick, so not a matte, but it's not like a metallic one either. I got a metallic and a matte in my last mystery box as well. So this is another one. It is in the color Bubble Wrap. So I feel like this is probably another pink. So I'm going to take this out and swatch it again. This one has a very plasticky lipstick kind of smell. You know, very, very lipsticky. You know how, like, you know, just lipstick has a general smell. So that one has its smell as well. So this one, I'm just going down with, that was technically one dip, but like 2 swipes. So as you can see, that's the bubble wrap color. It's kind of like a nice muted pink, kind of like a mauve, or mauve, or however that you say that. But they are very cute, and you can kind of see that red is starting to matte up pretty good. I did put a pretty thick layer on, so it's probably going to take a minute for it to like fully matte. But I do really like these colors. This bubblegum, what was it called again? Sorry, I keep forgetting. This bubble wrap color, this pink, kind of reminds me of the Kylie Jenner lip kit thing. It's the Cocoa K. So that kind of reminds me of that color. And while I have it out, I might as well swatch that color too, just to put it alongside it. And this one's a bit lighter, so close enough. It just had me thinking. So this one right here is the Kylie Jenner one. So you can kind of see just some shade differences. But ignore the Kylie Jenner. This is all about Beauty Bakerie today. Alright, so I'm down to the final 2 items here, and they are both palettes. Now I don't know which palettes. There's one thing that I didn't like really look into because I wanted those to be like a surprise. So first one is, still in the bubble wrap here. It is their Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. So, super excited about this. I haven't tried this palette. Let's try to get it out here. And this cute little covering that they have. And, of course, the packaging is real cute. You got like a waffle here and some coffee. So, I'll open this up and kind of show you. Whoop. It does have the plastic covering on it. It's a little messy, but, you know, I'm not worried about it. I can easily just blow it off. So, I'll show you the colors. Very cute, like neutral coloring here. I'm really digging these 3 colors here, especially this one, which is called Messy Hair. Aw, those are cute. So all the names are like Yawning, Pajamas, excuse me. Boo and a View, Fresh Face, French Doors, Forehead Kisses. So all like cute, like bedroom type of stuff. Lazy Baby. So super cute packaging, super cute names, and these colors though, guys. Look at these colors. Very gorgeous, kind of natural type of colors. You got some shimmer shades right here, and I believe this one's kind of a light shimmer, and this one right here, my pinky is too. I know my lighting's being funky. I'm really gonna have to work on lighting settings. And last but not least, I do have one other palette, and this one's like bubble wrapped real good. So let's just break that out. Maybe. Alright, I guess that's not going to tear. So I got my handy dandy scissors. And boom. there we go. So this last palette is the Scoops palette? Ulysses? Scoops Ulysses? Maybe? Y'all know I can't pronounce anything. But yeah, Scoops Ulysses. It's a face and body palette, which honestly I've never heard of this one. So let's open it up and see what it's all about. So the back of the palette says, catering to all, you can now blush, brighten, highlight your look with these baked, versatile, highly pigmented, and buildable shades. So I guess you can do a multitude of things with the shades inside the palette. So I'm going to open it up and take a look. Aw, it's kind of cute. So once again, it has a clear plastic covering. And for these shades, they're very like bright, so I can definitely see these two corner shades right here, kind of being like the highlight shades, because these are, ooh, that's super soft. Super soft. And highly pigmented, so that's 2 swipes. Sorry, my camera is not wanting to focus. There we go. Focus. Focus. It'll focus eventually. So, the powders are super soft, and I guess I can see these two being like some blushes, but those would be some intense blushes, especially since this is like a super orange, and this is super, super pink. So, maybe like a very light blush, but it does say it's supposed to be a body palette as well, so I guess you can use these like as like some cute kind of highlight, because this pink has a little bit of shimmer in it, nothing too crazy. But it's still super cute. Let me see. I'll go ahead and just do this orange a little bit too. Yeah, that one looks a bit more like chalky, I want to say. So you can kind of see the orange here and the pink here on this finger. But, yeah, I don't know what I would use the orange part for, but I do like the other 3 colors on here at least. Alright guys, so that is it pretty much. Like I said, I got the 6 full-size items from Beauty Bakerie for their mystery box for a whopping $50.
That's 10. I don't know. I'm sorry.
For a whopping $50 in free shipping. So I feel like the price is a good price point for the amount of stuff that you get, and pretty much all of the stuff I will use. The only thing I was a little iffy about was the last palette. Other than that, I do like both of the lip colors that they gave me. The Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette was my absolute favorite. I cannot wait to actually use that. Hopefully tomorrow, we'll see. So yeah, let me know down below your thoughts on it. What was your favorite thing out of the box that I got? Did you guys get the same items? If you got the box, let me know. I would love to hear your feedback. Definitely don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well down below. It would mean a lot to me. But I will see you guys in next week's video. Have a good night.